engines through Mac brand engines through CSCs, Grameen store. And we would have never imagined this. कभी कल्पना शायद नहीं की होगी कि हम लोग गांव में डीजल इंजन और कार इंजन और ट्रैक्टर इंजन के ऑयल को भी बिक्री कर पाएंगे. बट दैट इज हाउ बिकॉज दे रियलाइज कि सीएससी है तो फिर सब कुछ हो सकता है. आज देश में प्राइवेट और सरकार, सभी सरकारें और सभी प्राइवेट सीएससी की तरफ देखती हैं अगर उनको गांव तक पहुंचना है. जैसे हमारे माननीय मंत्री जी ने एक बार कहा था कि अगर इस देश में कोई भी कंपनी, चाहे वो इंडियन हो चाहे फॉरेन हो, गांव में कुछ बिक्री करना चाहती है तो उसको सीएससी के बिना बिक्री करना बहुत मुश्किल होगा. वो सीएससी की मदद लेगी और वास्तव में वो सपना पूरा हो रहा है. आई टोल्ड यू 25 कंपनीज आर नाउ टाइंग अप विद अस in order to use Grameen e-store and doing that part of the Grameen e-store can redefine the way you do it. কিন্তু ওটা কাজ করবেন আমার মনে আছে আপনারা ভালো করে লোকাল প্রোডাক্টটা বিক্রি করতে পারেন. And local produce can be sold locally. Rasgulla or sandesh etao bikri korben, and some of you can start making sandesh in your house and then selling locally digitally and make rasgullas and which are there, and also do some of the stuffs in puja time wherever things are required to be given to families and package. In Odisha they sold puja material through Grameen store, meeting the requirements of every customer. So you have a lot of, and of course the sarees which are made in Bengal are, whether it's Jamdari sari or other sarees are very popular. And these cotton sarees, the low cost can be then sold locally to through the Grameen store. স্টার্ট করুন লোকাল, তারপরে আমরা হয়তো সম্ভব হয় এদেরকে এই শাড়িজ গুলোকে বাইরে দিয়ে দেশে ওর কোনো স্টেটেও বিক্রি করতে পারি. There is a huge demand for Bengal sarees across the country, and we should be able to sell and help people in doing that part of the work. Bengal is actually, as Bhagwati said, Bengal has been a torch bearer in many movements, whether they are social or they're intellectual. And Bengal will also lead in the CSC movement. CSC is to Andolan. CSC is also an Andolan. Creating a Grameen entrepreneurship using digital tools is actually an Andolan. And I'm sure my Bengal really will show a way and they'll become a torchbearer for the entire country. They will not be affected by any of these interventions or any problems being faced or for temporarily for some time. See, government service na hole chole. Don't worry about them. I've been telling all the time. Amra ajke na, kintu amra anek aage theke bolechi ki CSC is not surviving because of government service. CSC survives because of the enterprising skills and the ability to try and service customers. Customers service korte pare সেই জন্য CSC survive korte. So you don't have to worry about anything. We have a large number of products. We are of course working on something on health, and telemedicine is one. So you can help people because I know Bengali telemedicine is darkar beshi. Anek childra mera plus old people can't go to the nearest hospital or they don't get the adequate facility for treatment. They can be helped and supported through telemedicine, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, and allopathy, depending on that. We're getting some more doctors. We are now 250 doctors. We will add more doctors and try and do teleconsultation for this. Similarly, for crop and paddy, we have now agriculture. We have farmers. We have almost everything which is required. কিষানের জন্য যারা আছে, যারা কৃষি করে তাদের জন্য আমাদের সবকিছু আছে, ফার্টিলাইজার, সিডস, advisory services through Krishi Vikas Kendra of Government of India. All that is available. You can at least help them in getting it. And even animals, those who are rearing poultry, birds, or others can take advice and start that as a business. So therefore, you are actually helping communities in trying improving the quality of life, and of course, trying and becoming a better citizen to participate equally as doing. So, আমি আমার বেসিক উদ্দেশ্য ছিল যে আপনার সঙ্গে কথা বলে আপনাকে জানাই যে আমরা কি কি করতে চাই. And soon we will be launching some new thing. We are trying to work out the CSC Pay, like a Google Pay, and we should be able to launch very soon, which will also give you QR code facility and do all that part of the work. We're also trying and improving some part of the work on our own system so that it helps citizen and also AVLE. কিছু অ্যাডভাইস থাকলে আপনারা আমাদের স্টেট টিমকে দিতে পারেন. এন্ড ইফ সামবডি ওয়ান্ট টু ডু, আমার আরেকটা রিকোয়েস্ট থাকলো যে আমাদের রিয়েলি যে কোনো কাজ করতে চায়, whatever he wants, that there's a market available to him locally, he can tell us. We will try and help and support him in any format. আমাদের উদ্দেশ্যটা সে গ্রামে যারা থাকে, যারা সিটিজেন আছে, যারা থাকে, ওদেরকে যে কোনো জিনিসের দরকার থাকলে আমার CSC should be able to help them, either in education or skilling or getting jobs or even marriage. We have now got a marriage portal also. So you can help these women or boys who want to get married, and they can register them. We are also asking people to get on our employment portal so that they can register themselves and we can find jobs for them, both within the state and outside the state. So almost everything possible, and that is how CSC is. CSC is a one-stop shop for people to be helped. In that format, government service delivery is only one part of the story, but it's not the only story. Government service delivery is not the only story. In any case, government service যেটা আমি বললাম ওদের থেকে বেশি টাকা ইনকাম হয় না, and the income which happens to us, we should try and focus our attention on that, and we should not be derailed or demotivated by anything. আমি এটাও জানি কিছু অর্গানাইজেশন আর কিছু ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালস ইন্টেনশনালি এগুলি কথাবার্তা এগুলি সার্কুলেট করতেছে CSC বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে. CSC will never get closed. No one can close CSC. It is a rural enterprise built by an entrepreneur, cannot be closed. So that is a wrong rumor being spread intentionally, because ওদের যে ধান্দা ছিল ওই ধান্দাটা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে, ওদের যে বদমাশি ছিল সেটা বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে, সেই জন্য ওরা এরকম কথাবার্তা বলে দেয়. They may not give us government services, that's fine, but they cannot close CSC. Nobody can close CSC. CSC will continue to function. And I told you, many of these services, whether it's banking, insurance, pension, education, has nothing to do with government, either with central government or with the state government. It has nothing to do. It is your ability to try and create a business for yourself. Grameen e-Store has nothing to do with any government system in that fashion. So you will continue to work, and you don't have to really worry about things. We are with you, and the entire 4 lakh VLEs are with you, and all across the country, they're all working with the same passion. And this is not the first time that state services have been withdrawn. This has happened in many states. You are not the only one. There are many states who doesn't deliver any government service to CSC. I can give many other examples. So don't worry about it. And in any case, it's not, as I said, it's not very important for us, because we are a business enterprise and we will generate business through non-government activities. In case there are some problems on Tathya Mitra Kendra or CSC name locally, then you can call it Digital Seva Kendra. You can change the name and call it Digital Seva Kendra. So therefore, it is not a CSC in that sense. Nobody can create problem of that nature. And I think it doesn't make a difference whatever name you call them. We are a rural enterprise built through the same framework and helping citizens to access services close to the place where they live. So thank you very much. And I can take few of the questions, Bhagwati, in case there are some people who ask questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Most of the questions you have answered, that people have query regarding when will the CSC centers will close in West Bengal. So you have answered such queries. So one question which comes regularly in comment section is when this UCL Kobe Pabo, when Wheelies will get UCL services.
Okay. First, though, I told you CSC nobody can close. No one can close. It's a rural enterprise set up by an entrepreneur. There's no law in this country which can stop a rural enterprise. Everybody that sets up an enterprise. So you can set up an enterprise and don't bother about it. Don't bother. These are mischievous people who are trying to spread these canards and trying for the ulterior objective. And therefore, we're not concerned about that part. So don't bother, and don't even discuss that within your system that anybody can close CSC. That's the first part. The second is UCL for the timing. See, initially we said our CSC should do UCL, all of them. We have been fighting with UIDAI for a long time. And as our style is, we start dealing with them according to their convenience, and then bring them according to our convenience. We shift them over a period of time. So initially what these UIDAI has agreed, that they will allow all the banking correspondent of CSC to get UCL service. So all those who are working BC, or those who can become a BC. In any case, we want to make everybody as a BC. So it serves our purpose. But those who are not working as BC will not be for the time being able to do UCL. But those who are working as BC will be able to become a UCL, will be able to do UCL services. What you have to do is, there's also one clause which is a pain area for all of you and also for us, is what they're saying is that static IP is required. But static IP সেই জন্য কে অনেকরা হয়তো বেঙ্গলে নিল আর হরিয়ানা আর অরুণাচলতে স্টার্ট করে দেয়, সেই জন্য সেই বদমাশি বন্ধ করার জন্য স্ট্যাটিক আইপি দরকার আছে। ইউআইডি এখনো আমাদের রিল্যাক্স করেনি, হয়তো কিছু সময় পরে করে দেবে, কিন্তু আপাতত সেই হবে। তো you have to have a banking correspondent and you have to have a static IP, and then you will get a UCL service. So everybody will get, there is no discrimination. It may take little time because UID has its own process of approvals, but not from our side. But don't worry, in any case, we will get everybody a UCL service.
Thank you, sir. Another question which keeps coming in the comment section is, when will Aadhaar service will start in West Bengal?
UCL is basically an Aadhaar. See, Aadhaar means now presently, what is an Aadhaar? Enrollment of new Aadhaar cases is very negligible. That's hardly anything. UCL, there are about 40 crore people who doesn't have a mobile number. So it's basically updation of records, either name change, address change, mobile addition. That is what UCL will do. So UCL is actually an Aadhaar center in that sense. Except new enrollment, it does almost everything. So UCL will help you in dealing with the issues on Aadhaar. And the Aadhaar enrollment centers, we are doing in many states. It also needs state approval. So present state government, of course, will not allow. And hopefully something happen. And then, of course, when the state gets into a mood to try and use the CSC network, we will be able to do Aadhaar also in CSC through the state form.
Okay. So you have addressed this query, but somebody has asked that West Bengal government is running and supporting BSK centers, and they're getting salaries. So in this scenario, how VLE will survive and sustain?
I don't know why you asking this question. এগুলি যারা এইরকম প্রশ্ন পুছে ওরা সিএসসি চালায় না। আমি যে এক্সাম্পল দিলাম, ওই এক্সাম্পল আছে যার ইনকাম তো 50,000 আছে, 60,000 আছে, 90,000 rupees per month আছে, ওদের ইনকাম আছে। I'm only talking about income from only one activity, that is banking. তো ওই রকম ইনকাম বলে কি রকম সার্ভাইভ করবে, এটা ঠিক না। এই যে ধারণা, এই ধারণাকে আপনার চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। That you are nothing to do with government. Those fellows who are sitting in block, see, এত সুবিধা হইতো তো কি হইতো, হরেক প্রত্যেক জায়গায় একটা পঞ্চায়েত আছে, একটা পঞ্চায়েত ঘর আছে, একটা পঞ্চায়েত সেক্রেটারি আছে। Government can always use these panchayat to deliver service, but they cannot use it. They tried post office, even the post office cannot replace. CSC is unique. Many of them don't work on Saturday and Sunday. Many of them don't work after 2 o'clock. ব্যাংকও আছে, কিন্তু লোক ব্যাংকে যাইতে চায় না, সিএসসি যাইতে চায়। সেই জন্য কেন, ব্যাংক সিএসসি তো পাশে আছে, সিএসসি 24 ঘন্টা খোলা থাকে, রাত্রেও লোকরা ওয়াক ইন করে আপনার পয়সা বাইরে করতে পারে, কিন্তু ব্যাংকে আপনার করতে পারে। CSC has no replacement, and CSC is so unique that CSC doesn't have to bother about. They can set up how many people will go to block. To reach block will cost you 200 rupees. You can do the same job very close to in 10 rupees. Why should somebody go to the block? Nobody will go to the block. Don't worry about it. And these fellows, don't worry about who gets job and what. It is the nuisance value for the state. In any case, they will not be open on Saturdays and Sundays and after 5 o'clock. At that time, you have a huge value. They will not do banking. They will not do insurance. They will not do pension. They will not do education. That is what is portfolio for. So don't bother about it. আমার মনে আছে এই ধারণাটা পাল্টাইতে হয়, and we should try and see we are enterprise and we are not concerned about what is done and who is doing what. That is our outlook. How much we can do is our ability to try and do it. We have such a large basket of services that you can actually build an empire if you are a good guy, if you can really think of something great.
I think, sir, we have covered all the queries. Every query has been answered. One question is there. Really wants to know, can they transfer their SBI, CSP, others, BC to CSE?
Yeah, that can be done. I'll be very happy. I will help you in support. If you're working for somebody else, then you will not be getting UCL. You have to work for CSC as BC, then only UCL will out. So if you want to transfer, kindly contact our state team. They will try and help you, provided, of course, the state bank agrees. This is the state bank's prerogative. I will be happy to shift to you, or you can surrender then and take an Axis Bank or ICICI or HDFC Bank. But I think work in the CSC, all the CSC should work in CSC ecosystem. Then only the get advantage for all of you.
Sir, we have covered all the queries. These were the queries which you were not answered in your session, but I think we have covered all the queries raised by the VLEs.
So thank you very much and all the best. And যে কোনো অসুবিধা থাকে কোনো সময় আমাদেরকে বুঝাইতে পারেন and আমাদের হয়তো কথা আমার সঙ্গে বলার মুশকিল হবে কিন্তু আমাদের স্টেট টিম সঙ্গে কথা বলতে পারেন কিন্তু আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দেবেন সবার কাছে আমার নাম্বার আছে I will definitely look into it and we will try and resolve issues and let's try and create a good example of Bengal. As I said, Bengal has always been a torchbearer for all movements, social and intellectual. CSC Bengal will also become a torchbearer for CSC movement. And all the best and thank you very much. And hope you do extremely well in your business.
Thank you, sir. I hope and we expect that all the queries of VLEs of West Bengal has been answered with this session. And this session was personally organized by Tyagi sir, just with the aim that all these concerns there at the ground level, with the political scenario happening there in West Bengal, is being answered. So with this aim that all our VLEs, all our brothers and sisters will work with an aimlessly towards the upliftment of our citizens. और हम सिर्फ state government की services पे depend नहीं करेंगे. We are entrepreneurs. Will create opportunities for ourselves. We do have a number of services with us. So with this, we'll conclude this session here. Thank you so much. Thank you, West Bengal VLEs, for joining with us on this platform. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhagwati. Thank you very much.